மாணவ மாணவிகள் வந்து அந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டியில் போனால் ஒரு சிறந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனலாக வரலாம், அவங்களுடைய இன்கம் அண்ட் அட்வான்ஸ்மெண்ட் க்ரோத் நல்லாயிருக்கும் அப்படின்னு இன்னும் நிறைய பேருக்கு ரியலைஸ் ஆகும். அது ஒரு பெரிய பப்ளிசிட்டி கொடுத்து ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி செக்டாரில் இருக்கிற ஒரு ஃபீச்சர் எந்த செக்டாரையும் போயிருந்தேன். தட்ஸ் ஒன்லி ஃபாஸ்ட் க்ரோயிங் செக்டார். That I am delighted to have been able to inaugurate this business fair, contribute to our enhancement of knowledge. It really helps to upgrade our knowledge about the industry in which we are in.
The Director of Synergy to please present the memento to Mr. Palani G. Pediswamy.
Then I tell him, don't talk for these tall stories. You are coming here not because of exhibiting your chain. It's a question of volume of business. What you do it in entire Europe, you do it in one city. That is under a smiling one. And the price-wise, labor is cheap, food is good. In spite of all, enchanting India is an expression by itself. And I'm sure this fair will be an eye-opener for all of you to make in India the affordable and the destination to make it number one. Thanks a lot.
I would like to place on record my sincere appreciation to the endeavor of Messrs. Synergy Exhibitions and Exposures for putting up this type of a show. Putting up this type of exhibition and show is not a small thing. I am from the similar area. I know that how much efforts one has to put for bringing this type of show into reality. My sincere compliments to Synergy.
Why I wanted to participate here was something very simple. What I wanted to impress upon each person that I could meet up with here is the fact that today, with approximately 140 years of inception, we are 140 years old. the Tata Group.
Investment secure and proven business models. So we have a stall here in the trade center, and if some of you are interested in partnering with Tata Communications or knowing about our products, you're welcome to please visit us. Thank you for this opportunity.
I'm here to talk on revenue management, which is the hot topic for the past few years, especially in the hotel industry. It's very common across the other industries like airlines, but recently hotel industry started giving a lot of importance to this subject, revenue management. So most of you might be aware of revenue management, and there's a lot of demand recently in the hotel industry for revenue managers. So
to thank all the speakers for sharing the knowledge in this platform, and I would also like to thank all the delegates who have gathered here for this great occasion. I'm sure HPF 2012 would be a great event for those 70 new properties which are coming down in Chennai and across Tamil Nadu. And I'm sure that you would have enjoyed the session. Done us for lunch. Thank you.